Church members who are found responsible for the latest spike in COVID-19 cases in Clarendon may have to pay the price for their actions. Prime Minister Andrew Holness addressed the matter at today's Sabbath service at a Seventh-day Adventist church in Lucy, Hanover.
There will be no special favor or special preference because it was a church person that breached the rule. I'm certain that the security forces are doing their investigations to bring this matter up for prosecution.
And quoting from Romans 13, verse 1 to 7, he stressed that if church leaders and members had been obeying the COVID safety protocols, Sandy Bay in Clarendon would not be under a quarantine.
Let every person be subject to the governing authorities. For there is no authority except from God, and those that exist have been instituted by God. Therefore, whoever resists authorities resists what God has appointed, and those who resist will incur judgment.